How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from Subispeed back again with another vlog, because even though I said these would be coming in late summer, we actually got in an early shipment of our Subispeed V2 headlights. We got about 49 or 48 or so units, so we need to get them on the website so you guys can start ordering them, which is why I'm here now. I'm gonna show you guys the process we need to go through to get these from our receiving dock onto our website and to your doorstep. Alright, so usually when we get new products in, they come over here at our receiving dock, right here. I'll show you guys. The truck backs out right here. We open up the garage door and we set them all out right here. So all this stuff is new products that we need to receive and then put on the shelves, which Joe does. Where's Joe? Joe! Oh, he's out in the pod. Joe! So Joe's received these and he's putting them away in the pod right now. How's it going, Joe?
Doing great. Making a small for him.
This is Joe. He does receiving.
Hi guys, I receive. I'm Joe. Bye guys. That's a big problem.
So as you guys may have noticed, we don't have much room over here, which is why those new headlights are over in our new building. But once they are received and put where they need to be, then we need to go get them photoed. And it just so happens that our photo guy is right here. This is Corbin. Hey. Corbin, say hi.
Hey guys.
He's actually helping receive and putting products on the shelf right now. That's Josh. Josh does a lot of the videos.
Hi guys.
So once Corbin's done with this, he'll go take some photos of those new headlights. So since Corbin's actually busy right now, I thought I would hobble back over to the new building and grab a set of headlights for him and bring them over to the photo room, just to make it a little easier in the process to go a little quicker. Oh boy, it's dark in here. Okay. I should probably have grabbed a knife. So here are the V2s if you didn't already see. I'm gonna go grab a knife, cut these off, and we'll grab a box. All right, so we're back over here with the knife. Honestly, I probably didn't even need the knife, but I'm gonna try and cut this one-handed here. All right, I'm gonna probably put the camera down so I don't drop these. All right, let's bring this over to Corbin. Ooh, that perfect fitment though. So once Corbin is done photoing the headlights, we'll bring them back to the computer, get them all edited, and then hand them over to Josh, and he will get the listing set up on our website so you guys can order it from there. So Josh will get those pictures uploaded and then get the description and the pricing and all of that, and then he will make the listing live so you guys can purchase it on our website. Once you click that button, it'll head over to back to our warehouse over there, where the shippers will then begin to ship the orders out to you guys. Once you get your package in the mail, you can get them installed on the car, and they'll look something like this. Well, that's pretty much the whole process, guys. It starts out as a prototype, which you guys saw me install on our car a couple months ago. Then it ends up on our website for you guys to order. Now, I'll have the install video out probably by the end of next week. It's not a very difficult install, but it'll be something nice to have to guide you through the install. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email us or give us a ring. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. I'll see you guys next time.